So we are going to continue our work with counting words in the sentence. Instead of turning around and jumping, today we're going to do clap and count. You're going to turn around and listen carefully. You're going to gently clap your hands one time for each word you hear in the sentence. Put on your shoes. Did you go like this? Put on your shoes. 4 claps, 4 words. Turn around again. Sit with me. How many claps? Did she say 3? Sit with me. There are 3 words in that sentence. You are my friend. How many claps or how many words? You are my friend. 4 words. One more sentence. Turn around. Stay here. Did she say 2? We're going to read the words that we've been practicing. So the first word that dropped down was I. Then like. And our new word is the. Spell the word the with me. T-H-E. Read the word with me. I like to blank the dog. What would go on the blank? You are right. Walk the dog.